right, kids. This is it. Our new life in California. Welcome home.
So dramatic. You act like we just landed on Mars.
I need a little help, please.
Oh, right. Nathan, Kitty, help your mom.
Here. This one's heavy. This one for you. There you go. Thank you so much. Last one. Honey, can we get the trunk, please?
Got it.
Kids, hurry up. It's your first day of school. You're going to be late.
Honey, have you seen my orange tie, the one Cuyolito gave me when we visited Amsterdam last year? I want to make a good first impression at work today.
Did you check the box in the other room?
My buyer is married to an Amsterdamish, and I really want to build a good rapport. I read that in a book that you gave me, How to Win Friends and Influence People.
Honey, I don't think they're called that.
Huh, of course they are.
Kids, come on!
Mom, I can't find my pink Argyle vest.
Did you try the garage in the box?
No, I did not.
Price
tag. Mom, look what Nathan did.
Honey, you look beautiful in that top. Besides, it's not as cold here as it is in Minnesota. Nathan, time to go back to your room and change your clothes. And give that vest back to your sister. Thank you very much. Kids, the bus is here. Get your lunches, please. Love you. It's the first day of school. Trying to get in trouble. Okay? I love you. Love you too. Good. Make good choices.
Honey, do we have any medicine? I feel like I have a bit of a sore throat.
Did you try the medicine drawer upstairs in the bathroom? It's really messy, so just make sure you check the labels, okay? All right.
You guys are the first to see this place. It's not even listed yet, so.
Oh, wow.
It is nice.
Yeah. That is a gorgeous hat, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Are you Filipino?
Yes. What about you?
Yes, but I don't speak Tagalog anymore.
You grew up here.
No, I just don't speak it anymore.
When did you move here?
Last year,
Oh, and you don't speak Tagalog anymore.
konti lang.
Just moved here and can't speak Tagalog anymore. Wow, how nice. So, so this house was just built in 2010. All the rooms have been refurbished, including the kitchen and all the bathrooms. It has hardwood floors, huge closets. Sorry, would you excuse me real quick? Feel free to grab some cookies on the counter.
So, what do you think?
I don't know. I like it. Or not.
Oh, 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 yeah. Well, what do you two think, huh?
I think we're gonna keep on looking.
Oh, okay. Well, here's my card, just in case you change your mind.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Is it okay if we get some more cookies?
Sure.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
All right,
Yeah.
guys. Thank you so much.
All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. Okay, one of these. Okay.
Perfect.
We're good? Are you ready?
Shall we, my love?
Yes. Oh, thank you for getting my hat.
Of course.
Oh, go ahead. I'll follow.
All right.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and.
All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For having us.
My pleasure. Bathroom keys, please.
Bathrooms for paying customers only.
Oh, seriously?
It's company policy. I don't make the rules.
Okay. Here you go.
That'll be $4.
$4.
Sir, that's what it says on the computer. I don't have a change.
It's okay.
Would you like to donate to the Boy Scouts of America?
Oh, I just want the bathroom keys, man. Oh my God. To the left or the right?
Hi, honey. How was the showing? Honey? Are you okay?
Where are we jumping, guys? Wait.
Sorry. Let's jump now.
Then what happened?
Then Becca told Taylor that Sam wasn't really into Chuck because Chuck is into Taylor. But Taylor doesn't even know about it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but Sam knows it. So Becca had just told Chuck to get lost, and since Sam knows, she ended up telling Taylor that Chuck was into her. So Taylor ended up crying, and Becca was like, "Shut up, Taylor." So, yeah, she's like really mean.
Drama.
I know. How's the new school?
Oh my god. Like, you wouldn't believe.
Honey, are you okay?
I think we need to sue these pharma companies.
Why? What happened?
This medicine you gave me? Awful, awful side effects.
It's not for sore throat. These are laxatives.
Oh, am I supposed to know that?
You didn't read the label on the bottom? Oh no. Honey.
That would explain all the explosions today.
Oh God, how many did you take? 4. And then 2
I
more?
thought it would help my sore throat.
6 total?
You know what? Maybe I should take some more medicine. I think there might be some stuff in there that helped my sore throat.
No, wait a second. Don't you think you've had enough medicine for today?
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably.
Mommy, I just took some of Dad's sore throat medicine.
Oh no. Ay, Diyos ko po. Come on, hurry. Have some rice.
I'm so hungry. What is for dinner?
Everything that your loving mother made with her own 2 hands. Ooh.